Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have another craft fair thing that I want to share with you all. And this may be kind of cheating a little bit, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. When was it? Last year? No, it's not. Definitely wasn't last year. Maybe the year before. Maybe even the year before. Maybe up to 3 years ago. Shandi, and I think her YouTube name is Favorite Faves or Fave, something like that. But it's Shandi. She was selling these coffee and hot cocoa kits. And so I bought two. I bought the coffee one, and this is the hot cocoa one. And I used the coffee one, but I didn't use the hot cocoa one. And I think these are the ones I have left. I think it's 5. Like enough to make 5. But I got this right here. This coffee from Starbucks. And I want to put this instant coffee in because the last time I made it, I used the coffee pods, like the Keurig cups. And like I said again, she put the bags in. She put like the, I don't even know what you call it. It's like the bag inserts. This had bowls and brads that I don't know where the brads are. Now this right here I know is mine. I got a bag topper and I used a bag topper like this for the coffee ones. And this may be her coffee, but I do have this dye as well. Here are the bag inserts. These are the little things that go on the front of the bag inserts. I got straws here for the hot cocoa. Put it right there. And here's the cup for the hot cocoa and the whipped cream. Let's see what else is this. These are the aprons. And here are the little things that go on top of the aprons like so. And actually this right here goes on the cups like this. So it'll look like a hot cocoa. Goes like so. And I think this right here, this dye right here, I think this is what she put in for the bag topper. And she also cut these extras as layering pieces like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these bags together for you guys. And I'm going to do a total of 12 of these because I do have 12 instant coffees in here. And I actually went and bought extra bags from last year. Like I said, I used, I did the coffee ones. And I got these bags, as a matter of fact, this past, what was it? I can't remember. But it was from the Stamp Art Show or something like that. And these are the bags. I got these from Creek. What is this? Is Creek Bank Creation. And this is 12 bags. They 3 by 2 by 6.5. And oops, there we go. Sorry about that. So it's the exact same bag. So I'm finna get started with this little project right here. Okay guys, I got all of my pieces laid out right here. I've scored this bag insert at 2 inches and at 4 inches. I have opened up my bag and I got it right here. This is a bag with a flat bottom and a 2-inch gusset. The bottom is 2 inches, the gusset is 2 inches. And I got the coffee, the word coffee here. I got all the other pieces. So I'm going to go ahead on and fold this in half. And I'm actually going to glue this piece in place. So let's get some this art glitter glue on here. I'm going to place this like so. Coolness. And I'm going to go ahead on and put the cup together. If I can get the little stuff up. Go ahead on it, and those are the grands. They supposed to be asleep, but of course they aren't. Okay, put that right there. Got a little extra glue on. I'm gonna put the foam on top here, or the whipped cream. And she gave me some glitter. Do I see the glitter? Oh, here it is. She gave me this glitter to put on the foam if I wanted to. I don't think I'm going to use this glitter. If I use any glitter, and this is one that I absolutely love, it's this glitter right here. I don't know how this thing got cracked. This is a Recollections glitter. Is there a name on it? Is it just clear? It's just, it says snow. If I do glitter these, I'm going to use this and not that one. And there's nothing wrong with this. I just prefer my glitter better. And we're going to stick the straw in here. I'm sorry, I keep going out of frame, guys. And let's do that like that. There we go. And we're going to put the apron together here. And of course, if you're doing this yourself and cutting this stuff out of, using your Cricut or whatever, you just do it however you want to do it. It's up to you. There we go. So now it's really just assembling the product. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble this. Let me move some things out of the way first. I'm looking at a shadow right here. Hopefully, there we go. So these are all the parts. First thing I did was to take one of these glue dots. These are the repositionable glue dots I got at Dollar Tree. And I stuck one on the back of the coffee so it'll hold it in place. And just push this on down in like we did before. And this is the shred. And it's got some white mixed in, but that was only because it was around and in the way and I didn't feel like pulling it out. So I'm just going to push this on in. That's my grandbaby. I don't know why she insists on talking to me. There we go. And I've got 3 chocolates here. 3 Hershey's Kisses. Why 3? I don't know. I'm just putting 3 in. Actually, I wish I had something right there that says Merry Christmas, like a little small Merry Christmas or something, but I don't have anything. And so what I'm going to do right here is I'm actually going to staple this. And because I put this on first, which I actually probably should have put it on last, I'm going to staple this part, like, and then just use some of the double-sided stick tape to hold this in place. So give me just a second. Okay, so while I went and got my tiny attacher, I just picked up some this double-sided tape. I got that at Tuesday morning as well. That's like the 1/4 inch. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I think it'll probably be best if you do this first and then, you know, put your staples in and then glue the layering piece on. But since I didn't do that, I'm going to just use this tiny attacher to close both sides like so. I put some of the adhesive on here. I'm just going to take this off. And I'm going to position this. Try to get, oh well, hell, it went on and stuck without me trying to position it correctly. I hate when it does that, but I'm gonna get better at it. And it's like, even though it's off centered, I did put some glitter I don't know if you see, if you guys can see that on the foam here. And I'm just going to, let's see, I just use some of this right here to put it on. And I could either put this coffee here or up here. I don't know. I might do some of each. But for right now, I think I'm going to leave it up here. So let me just put some in some strategic places to hold it in place. Okay. Okay. And there we have the finished product. We have the instant coffee. We have 3 chocolates in this little nice little bag. Again, guys, I'm thinking $3 each or 2 for $5. So let me know your opinion in the comments below. Okay, and that's it for this one. But I am going to do some cake cups with these as well. I think I do have enough bags, so I may do 12 cake cups. But I got to figure out a way that if the instant one sells better than the cake cups, then I need to figure out how I can reopen this package and switch out the instant for the cake cup or the cake cup for the instant, however that works out. I'm thinking about putting a Velcro dot or either a repositionable glue dot to hold this together until the show. But anyway, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.